Welcome to Crash IQ. In today's video, we will take a look at several road incidents and analyze what went wrong in each situation. The goal is to understand how these accidents could have been avoided and to help drivers stay safer on the road. This incident shows why road lighting is crucial everywhere. With proper lighting, these traffic accidents could have been avoided. And here comes the real problem: mopeds. In many countries, they often break the rules, so we need to be just as careful around them as we are with pedestrians. Hopefully, this guy was not injured. Is it just me, or does this driver look angry? Can someone explain why? He's trying to go right from the left lane, which is not allowed. If he wanted to turn right, he should have been in the right lane from the start. One of the most dangerous situations: a crash on the highway. It often leads to chain reaction collisions involving multiple vehicles. On the highway, a single decision can affect many lives, so always drive carefully. I don't know where that car came from on the highway, but look at the reaction. That's the result of years of driving experience. Impressive.
А ты-то что это сам? Ой, ой, ой.
Once again, a snowy road. A truck driver of this size should have enough experience to avoid situations like this. In these conditions, controlling your speeds is essential to avoid putting yourself and others at risk. Some drivers don't even know the dimensions of their own vehicle. In situations like this, you need to move slowly to avoid incidents like this. I hope the driver is okay. The white car is a clear example of why you should always check your mirrors, even in seemingly harmless situations. We might not fully blame the passenger car driver, but when you get your license, it clearly states that emergency vehicles always have priority in any situations. It looks like the Lexus was in a hurry, because as soon as the light turns green, they speed off. Never try to overtake on the yellow lights. It's extremely dangerous. Watch the black car driver closely. He was going too fast and trying to get back into his lane, but lost control and crashed. Hopefully, this will be a clear lesson to slow down next time. This is a tough situation. The taxi driver is mainly at fault, as he caused confusion for the Mercedes driver. The lane change was unnecessary. Always consider others when you're driving. Warning: disturbing footage ahead. Once again, a snowy road. He should never have attempted to overtake the truck. This caused a massive crash, and in the end, we see how badly he was hit. Hopefully, everyone survived. A terrible move by the Peugeot driver. He tries to cut across from the third lane to the first lane too quickly, which leads to this situation. When changing lanes, it's essential to stay alert and to make a safe transition. Unbelievable. Both drivers attempt to pass the truck at the same time. They are both moving at high speed, and for a moment it looks like a crash is inevitable. Hopefully, they manage to avoid it and work it out. I still don't understand how drivers with this level of experience end up in situations like this. He could have simply entered the left side more slowly, especially with its much load. Say alerts out there. Have you ever heard of Tokyo Drift? This guy is truly impressive behind the wheel. Of course, I don't support this. Don't try to copy it. Also, but you have to admit that was skills. Once again, the Peugeot. When exiting a yard, make sure it's safe before making your move. It seems the trucks maybe have dropped some of its cargo, creating a visibility hazard on the road. Using the horn to alert other drivers was a smart and responsible action. Look at how smoothly he moves across the road. Keep your lanes under control, friends, and don't put others at risk. Take a look at yellow car. It's very likely that distractions from a phone caused this. Never take your eyes off the road while driving. It can lead to serious accidents. Make sure to always follow traffic signals. A red light requires a full stop. Never behave like the driver of the white car in this situation. These two motorcycles almost collided. More attention is needed, especially if you're riding a motorcycle yourself. We end the video with the careless actions of the blue car driver. In situations like this, it's crucial to keep an eye on the cars around you. Drive safely. Always stay alert on the road. And I will see you in the next video.